up, guys? It is 6 a.m. Thursday morning. Today is the 29th. I showed you guys last time that I don't know how to catch any fish. Today might go the same way. You just might get to see me not catch any fish 2 days in a row. I don't know what it is. Maybe I'm in a drought, but it's all good. I do know how to fly fish. I'd like to think I'm decent at it. We'll see how it goes. Need a little more daylight. Alright, enough fooling around. I guess I've got the music portion for my video now. I'll tell you guys a little secret. At least with me, if it's a part of my video and I put it to music, that means I didn't catch any fish in that portion. What's up, guys? This is filmed afterwards, but I just want to update you guys on what's going on. I fished, I think it was the 26th, 27th, last Thursday morning. I only got to go in the water for about an hour. The sun was not coming up, and then I had to go to work, and then it's a whole big thing. And so fly fishing, an hour is not a whole lot of time, so I didn't even have time to get to a fly that I really wanted to use, get set up in a spot that I really wanted to go to. Still, there's still footage in it just to show you guys a little bit about it, but don't judge me solely on this video. So what I did today is the Thursday, October the 6th, I think. Yep, the 6th. And so what I did this morning, I also had to work again this morning, but I just jumped in my kayak, went to the river, went to a different spot. It's called the Weir Pool, up on the Clinch River in Norris, Tennessee. It's a great spot, I love it. Damn it. Holy shit, this is a... This is a fish. Oh, he's snagged. Oh. Oh. It's okay. It's okay. Stop. Oh. Stop. Alright, in that scenario, the barb was stuck in its tail. The barbs will rust, so the best thing to do is just to cut it out and let him go, so that way he can get in the water as soon as possible. Glad you got to witness that. That has never happened to me before. I don't know if he swiped at it or if I hit it on the bottom or what. It just is the bottom of the tail. How? It swam off though, I promise. I don't want to. I'm scared to move my camera because of how it's balanced right now, and I don't have a waterproof casing on it. But it did swim away. I promise. And that hook is just gonna rust out and it'll be good to go. And look, I'm gonna tie the same thing back on that I was using, just a red and gold little Clio 1/16 ounce. I personally just like the smaller sizes. You can't necessarily cast it as far, but it mimics smaller bait. I wanted to share, or because I'd update you guys a little bit on what's going on. I fished this morning. I caught that one fish. I did, so that is proof I do know how to catch fish. It's foul hooked a little bit, and I apologize. That is not the way that I fish. I can tell you completely honestly, the fish swam away. The fish is going to be fine. All those hooks rust. It's the same thing. Whenever you get a hook stuck in its mouth and you can't get it out, you cut it off, it rusts off, and the fish is going to be okay. It wasn't in anything, it was just in a couple scales on its tail. And I get really weirded out with stuff that I think is going to hurt the fish, so I just snipped it, went on with it. Okay, I want to show you guys the luck that I have whenever I fish. See the strap right there? That broke today. And my rod, which is actually really new. Look at that. How awesome is that? We're about to find out how good Bass Pro's warranty is.